Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 23rd on a Tuesday. Going to be keeping an eye on the market today. We have an interesting setup here. We had a nice breakout, go candle there, and the SPY followed by a pause day, kind of a spinning top there, almost a doji. So I want to watch this. Are we going to take out yesterday's high and continue higher, or are we going to be? Is this going to be a short-term top and see some profit taking? So I'm going to be watching if the SPYs do break that low. If we see some profit taking come in, maybe we do some backing and filling. And who knows, it could be a short-term top. But let's take a look at some ideas today. Not seeing a whole lot. There's some earnings plays out there that's on the list I'm going to be keeping an eye on. But let's start with this AVIR. I believe I mentioned this yesterday. This is still in play. Smaller price stock, but you can just see it keeps trying to sell off and bouncing tail yesterday. Look for a break above that 368 and see if we can get some possible follow through in that biotech stock. Let's take a look at STTK. That's on the list for today, and a very, very strong chart here. You can see from $4, it's over doubled, but still moving higher. I'm going to be looking for a move maybe above that 1025 level and see if it can take out this January high there in that one. But it has had a big move, so be careful there if you do try something like that. DVAX is kind of an outside the box thinking, and maybe for a bounce here. Let's take a look at DVAX if I can find it. There it is. And what I'm liking here, you had this big volume bar yesterday, and then the day before yesterday, and then a nice push higher yesterday out of this range, but very sloppy. So I'm going to be looking for some volume in that if it does go. One more outside the box thinking, Starbucks. I'm liking this. What I'm liking about it, you've had a nice gap fill, okay, coming back here, bounced off that gap fill. Look for a break above this pivot level, 94.40 level. All right, that's it for today. Keep it tight. This could be an interesting day. Have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.